I am Dr. MP Sarde from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Welcome you all. This video is about to understand what is meant by programmable logic array. Let us understand the meaning of array first. English language learner definition of array. It is a large group or number of things, a group of number, symbols, etc. that are arranged in rows and the columns, or it is a way of organizing pieces of information in the memory of a computer so that similar kinds of information are together. Memory arrays are built as an array of bit cells, each of which stores one bit of data. For each combination of address bits, the memory asserts a single word line that activates the bit cells in that row. When the word line is high, the stored bit transfers to or from the bit line. Programmable logic devices usually consist of programmable arrays of logic gates and interconnections with array input and output connected to device pin through fixed logic element such as non-inverting and inverting buffers and flip-flop. Logic gates used may be of two level and or NAND or NOR configuration, or in some cases and or XOR configuration is also used. The two types of PLDs are programmable logic array, that is PLA, and programmable array logic, that is PAL. These are suitable for implementing logic functions in SOP form, that is sum of product form. This is the block diagram of PLA device where you can see input buffer, AND matrix, OR matrix, invert non-invert matrix, flip-flops or output buffer. Here you can see for the input buffer there are m number of input, whereas output of input buffer are 2m, where you can see here each of the input coming to the input buffer is available at the output as a complemented and non-complemented form, and this output of input buffer is available as an input to AND matrix. Output of AND matrix are shown by small n. So the output of AND matrix is now input for the OR matrix. Output of OR matrix is capital N. It is available as an input to invert and non-invert matrix, and output of this block is given as an input to the output buffer. Total number of output available at the output of output buffer is given by capital N. Okay, so total number of input are given by capital M, total number of output given by capital N. Let us see the explanation of each of the block. Here, PLA devices. It consists of two level AND OR circuit on single chip. Their number is fixed on a given chip, generates expression in sum of product form. It has m input, n product terms and n output, where small n is less than that of 2 raised to capital M. It can be used to implement m variables with n output. Logic minimization is required to accommodate given logic function as all the possible minterms are not available. Input buffers. This circuit is required at the input to limit the loading of sources that drives the input. It produces inverted as well as the non-inverted input at the output as shown in the figure. For each of the input, similar buffers are there. You can see here. For the input buffer, where I0 is the input, output is available as an inverted and non-inverted form. Okay. This is the diagram for input buffer. AND matrix. An AND matrix is used to form product for terms. Figure shows the AND matrix. It has n AND gates with output P0 through Pn minus 1, and it has 2m input for each AND gate. That shows each AND gate has all the input variable in complemented and uncomplemented form. It has a nichrome link in series with each diode. All the links are intact as an unprogrammed PLA devices. Each AND gate generates the product term which is given by P equals to I0 I0 bar plus I1 I1 bar plus and so on up to I minus 1 I minus 1 bar. To generate required product term, the unwanted links are opened through programming via programmer devices in case of FPLA, Field Programmable Logic Array. This is the diagram of AND matrix, and each of these fusible link, okay, it is a nichrome fuse link. It has M input and it has N output. This figure shows the AND matrix for P0 output as shown in the figure A. This is the figure A, and its equivalent logic gate is shown in figure B. Similar arrangement exists for each of the other output, where FPLA here is nothing but field programmable logic array. This is the figure for representation of input buffer and AND matrix. Here the figure shows input buffers. These are the input buffers and AND matrix with interconnection marked by crosses. Interconnections are marked by cross. Each AND gate has 2m input, which is indicated by a single line in the figure. When an array is programmed to implement a particular logic function, desired connections are left with cross mark, unwanted interconnections without cross marks. OR matrix. OR matrix is used to produce logic sum of product term output of AND matrix. Figures show OR matrix using RTL circuit that consists of parallelly connected transistor. RTL stand for resistor transistor logic. When all the links are intact, output S0 is given by S0 is equal to P0 plus P1 plus P2 plus so on up to Pn minus 1. Required sum terms can be generated by opening unwanted fuse link. Thus, OR matrix can be programmed by opening unwanted fuse link, which effectively makes logic level 0 at corresponding OR gate. Here the figure shows the logic symbol of one of the OR gate, and another figure shows the relevant portion of PLA containing OR matrix. This is the circuit diagram for OR matrix. This is the logic symbol of a section of OR matrix. Invert non-invert matrix. This matrix is a buffer which can be programmed for inverting or non-inverting operation corresponding to active low or active high output respectively. Here this is what the representation of OR matrix. Number of inputs are given by P0 so on up to Pn. Output are S0, S1 so on up to Sn minus 1. Here the n is capital. This is the diagram for inverting or non-inverting circuit. Output buffers are required to increase the driving capability of a PLA. Normally, output are TTL compatible or may be totem pole, open collector or 3-state as shown in the figure. This is the figure of output buffer. Output through flip-flop and buffers. PLA devices suitable for state machine applications have flip-flops and buffers in output circuitry as shown in the figure. The positive edge trigger SR flip-flop are connected at the output of the OR gate through tri-state buffer. Thank you.